So good day everyone. I have called you here today because we will conduct crankshaft deflection of our four-stroke diesel engine, particularly in all areas of our from cylinder number 1 to cylinder number 6. So I expect everyone to wear their personal protective equipment, particularly safety helmet, safety gloves, overall, uh, boots, then safety shoes. So the location of our first aid kit as well as our fire extinguisher is at the back of our control room for your information. So before we conduct crankshaft deflection, we must turn off the power.
Uh, Sir, I'll do the locking out and tagging out of our electrical power or sources of our engine so that we can have no accidental re-energizing of our power sources.
Okay, thank you. So before we work, we must observe safety measurements and precautions. Um, Avoid horseplaying. All of us must be cooperative, must be open for communication. Avoid harsh communication. So, in terms of the permission,
Sir, I will tell the Britisher that we only have few remaining hours before we conduct our transit inspection, sir.
okay, thank you. So, for the enclosed area, area permit, we have um, for the oxygen, for the
Sir, I already checked the oxygen concentration in the control room earlier and its current reading is 20.8, sir.
okay, thank you. So, for the tools, for the special measuring tools and the spare parts,
Sir, I will be the one to prepare the special tools that we are going to use. So, specifically the combination range sizes 17, 19, 22, and the dial gauge. And also, I will prepare the spare parts such as the 12 O-rings, 12 bearing caps, and main bearing.
Sir, I would like to accompany third engineer in preparing all the tools needed and the spare parts needed to be used.
okay, thank you. So I would also like to remind everyone to wear their oximeter or instometer to detect the level of oxygen concentration while working in the engine room, as well as the level of toxic. So for the task in our while while conducting crankshaft deflection, for opening the crankcase door.
Sure. I will be the one who will open the crank door, sir, for us to have access to the crankshaft, sir.
Okay, thank you. So for the indicating cocks,
Sir, I will be the one to open the indicator cock so that we can release the stored pressure from the previous operation.
okay, thank you.
And I would like to prepare the auxiliary blower, sir, and also I would like to help in turning the flywheel, sir, to position the crankshaft in our desired positions
Okay,
or
thank you.
angle.
So for our for the documentation, I will be the one to take pictures while we are conducting crankshaft deflection or during operation. Then I already printed all the checklist for the all machineries and especially for the main engine. So so I guess that's all for
Okay, sir.
our toolbox meeting.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.